Okay, so this is my very easy naan recipe. I'll post all the ingredients that you need on the screen. But first, a couple of things. Make sure that the yeast that you use is fresh or alive. If your yeast is stale, it's not going to give you a nice rise in your dough. And once it becomes creamy and fluffy like this, it's good to go. The other thing to remember is this recipe calls for 4 to 5 cups of all-purpose flour. And the reason that is so, it's really difficult to gauge and to measure out the flour and the liquid. If your kitchen is very humid, you're going to need less liquid. Once you've made this a couple of times, you'll get the hang of it. I'm mixing this in my KitchenAid mixer. Making naan dough can be very sticky. Once your dough is done, you're going to pick it up like this, and it should fall like this. This is the consistency you want in your dough. Oil it a little bit and then cover it and put it aside. After an hour, it's like this. After 2 hours, it's good to go. I just wanted to do this. Then you're going to go ahead and break off a piece of dough and make your naan. Roll out the dough ball, and we're going to place it on a pan, and we're only going to cook one side. Make little holes at the top so it doesn't fluff up like a roti. We're only cooking the bottom right now. Final part. Make little holes again in case the other ones have disappeared. Spread some milk on top. It will prevent the top from burning. Sprinkle lots and lots of sesame seeds. Place your naan under a broiler. Keep an eye on it. It can go from being done to burn. I like mine lightly done. This needed a little bit more time in there. And here's the finished product. You can freeze these.